This is how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. 0 views, 0 subscribers, from 0. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it right here in my studio today on the Awall Digital Podcast. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are fired up. I'm bringing back this podcast. It's been 2 years. Let's freaking go. All the secrets, all the good stuff. All right, here we are. In the background are my analytics on the Awall, on the Digital Drop Podcast YouTube channel. We've been growing this channel from scratch for the last 90 days, and it's just been taking off. I'm going to share with you all my tried and true secrets that I share with my clients and that I share with media companies that I consult with to teach you how to grow a YouTube channel basically from small or from scratch. All of the research methods, all the SEO, how to do your thumbnails, all of the tools you need to use, and almost all of them are free or in the description below on how to make this happen. All right, here we go. So first things first, this is my analytics in the Digital Drop YouTube channel that we just got fired up. And so many people tell me, you can't grow your YouTube channel, Awall. People tell me, you can't grow your YouTube channel, Awall. I'm too small. Awall, your channel's just way too big. And, you know, there's no way I can do the strategies that you're doing and pull it off. Well, here it is. Here's some evidence. A from scratch YouTube channel with no advertising, no promotion, no anything at all. As you can see at the beginning of the year, we had basically no traction at all, no views. In fact, the first quarter we had basically no views. However, as we started moving into the second quarter and then here into the third quarter of this year, the channel really started taking off from scratch. And it just continues to go up, up, up. And by the end of this year, this channel from scratch will be at about 250,000 views per month, 150,000 views per month. So how are we doing it on the Digital Drop YouTube channel? What are our secrets? All right, first things first. What you need to do is do your research on which topics are high demand and low supply topics on YouTube. And I highly recommend using the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer to do that. If you don't already have TubeBuddy, it's completely free. Link in the description below. It's the best research tool for you to go check out different topics that you might want to create videos about. So go ahead and use TubeBuddy to go find those topics. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Let's say that your topic is Fall Guys. Then you go ahead and enter your topic right here. And what you can do is you can start browsing keywords for YouTube that have a low supply and a high demand, which is an opportunity for you to break into that particular topic and for you to break out. So for example, the score on the main term Fall Guys here is poor. It's a 9 out of 100. So what that means is that you're probably going to have a difficult time as a small YouTuber breaking into that topic. However, when you look below, you can see that it has a fantastic search volume. The competition is very, very bad, as in tons of people are covering this topic, and you can see the amount of competitors essentially that are out there. There are 107 million videos you have to compete against to break through on this topic. Just an example, insert your topic here, guys. This research method has worked for fishing channels. It's worked for entertainment channels, music channels, gaming channels, finance channels, all the channels I've advised to grow from scratch. I give them this method and it works. So the other part that you really want to look at is the number of monthly searches on that term. 140,000 is good. You're going to want 10,000 or more. However, overall, there is way too much competition on this topic for you to break through, right? So how do you find one that has a better competition score? So one thing I'd like to do is go ahead and click the video topics button here in the top right-hand corner, and you can go ahead and scroll through the related video topics here. And you can go find one that drills down within a niche within this topic that maybe you can break through on. Because what this is all about, growing a YouTube channel from scratch in 2020, what it is all about is breaking through in YouTube search. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. It doesn't matter how many average views per video you currently get. It's about finding what people are searching for, find areas where the videos that are out there already are weak or old, and then you put your new video in there, in the mix, that's better than the competitors, and you can break through and get that search volume to grow your channel. For example, this Awall Digital channel I'm running right now, I've only produced a few videos this year, and I'm still getting like 300,000 views per month, and I'm making about $7,000 a month off of this YouTube channel that I'm currently streaming on right now. That's because I did my research, and 90% of my traffic here is from search. That's how you grow from scratch, and that's how you get new eyeballs. So think search, search, search. When you're growing, don't think subscribers. Don't think, what does my audience want? It's not about what your current audience wants. It's about what the future audience that you're going to be acquiring wants to see. And how do you get in front of them? Be in front of them when they're searching for things, obviously.